Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an entire video on my eyebrows and how you can shape and groom your eyebrows and get perfect looking eyebrows at home, really cheap and easy. But before I get into my video, I just want to say, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube, please hit the subscription box below and do not forget to hit that little bell icon just so you can get notified every time I upload. I upload weekly and I hope you don't miss my videos. And if you haven't already followed me on my Instagram, Snapchat and Facebook, please go ahead and do so, and let's move right into the video. Okay guys, so eyebrows basically shape your entire face. The way your eyebrows are shaped can really affect the way you look. Like if they are too thin and pointy and archy, you can look angry. If they're a bit thicker, you can look, you know, like happier. I don't know. Basically, they shape your face. They really give expression to your face. So it's important to have really nice groomed eyebrows. And this is my eyebrows with 1 month of growth. I grew them out especially for this video, and I'm going to zoom you guys right in. And before I zoom you in, we're gonna need a couple of tools to groom our eyebrows. If you are a beginner, you might want to use a white like eyeliner or something like that. And what this will do is it will kind of help you draw the shape out for your eyebrows. So if you have a shape in mind, like, you know, mine are kind of square from here, you can kind of just draw it out, and that will be easier. Like, it will make it easier for you guys when you're shaping them. Other than that, one of the key ingredients is this like eyebrow shaver, and basically it's a razor which looks like this. I bought this online for $2, and I went to another like Asian or cheap store, and I found the whole pack like of 6 for $1. So they are really simple. They're really easy to find. It's basically stainless, and it's an eyebrow razor, and you will get through with the pack. Like, it lasts a long time. Other than that, I like to use a spoolie brush to kind of just brush them out and then shape them. This is from Revlon. And the main thing are these little scissors. You need to invest in a good pair of scissors. These are actually eyebrow scissors. I got these from the pharmacy. They're just like regular eyebrow scissors. These ones are Revlon. Other than that, if you want, this is optional. No one hate me, but tweezers if you want to do the middle. Other things, if you do not have a spoolie, you can use like an old eyebrow or mascara wand. I use this all the time just to get them in shape. Other than that, my best friend, my thread. And I use the thread just to thread the middle, and sometimes just a little bit extra from the top. So if you guys are ready, let's begin grooming my eyebrows. So I want to try to zoom you guys in. And as you guys can see, my eyebrows can pretty much get thicker than this, but I just want to like brush them out and show you guys how thick they actually are at the moment. Like, how insane is that? But yeah, that's how thick they get. And to begin with, we are going to brush them upwards, just like this, so we can start cutting them. And I'm gonna actually leave this like this just because it's like shows you how thick my eyebrows actually are. And I'm gonna use a mirror down here just to kind of guide me. And the first thing I like to do is I like to just get my scissors and chop off the extra hairs. So all you do is brush them up, and we're going to just cut off the extra hairs. So when you have a basic shape of how you want to kind of get the eyebrows looking, you will move into your shaver. Now this part can actually be done with your like thread as well. I used to do this with a thread, but it's so much easier with the eyebrow shaver. And if, yeah, your hair will not grow back like thicker with this. Trust me guys, I've been using these shavers for a long time. And the way they work is you actually have to just shave downwards. And so I actually like to shave all around my eyebrow just to get that really nice clean look. Usually like the shape of the brow, so your eyebrow should start from right here. If you can get a pen and do this as well. The arch should be right here and the end should be right here. So my eyebrow looks a little bit long, so I'm just going to get rid of that excess hair right here as well. Next, I like to just go in and shape this part, and as I said before, this is just get a pen and kind of shape where it should be. I think my eyebrow should start like right here. So I like to do this with a thread because I feel like it's, yeah, easier with a thread. And I'm sure a lot of you guys know how to thread already, but all I do is I just get a big long piece of thread, I make it into a loop, and then I tie a knot on the end. And once that end is tied, of course it won't focus now, we have like a big circle, and then I just twist one side of it, and oh, I did too much, and we have our like little threading. You can do this at home. It's easy to use this at home. And now I'm just going to thread these extra hairs. Neat eyebrow, messy eyebrow. I'm just gonna do this eyebrow as well, and we will move right to the end. So let's do this eyebrow now. This is like the worst bloody eyebrow. So Pakistani girls are pretty hairy, I would say. And I'm just saying that because like literally like I wake up sometimes and I'm like going to work, and like at home, like it doesn't look like I have any like upper lip hair or something. Then I'm like on the way, and then like I just feel like it just grows out of nowhere. There's like I have a mustache out of nowhere. Okay guys, so if we compare my eyebrows to before, they look so much like more polished and so much neater. Obviously it's not like threading. I did not pluck this part of my eyebrows, but if you are into that and you want to pluck just the bottom hairs, go ahead and do that, that's fine. Okay guys, so if you guys still have a little bit of tiny hairs left around the eyebrow, you can pluck this part of the eyebrow if you want. I used to pluck the middle of my eyebrow before as well, but then I started threading and I feel like I get like a straight line with threading. Okay guys, we are done, and how easy was that? All you needed was a couple of tools and we got the perfect looking eyebrows. But yeah, that was my eyebrow routine. I wanted to share it with you guys because I always get heaps of requests about my eyebrows. I also have an eyebrow growth serum kind of thing on my channel already. So I use that serum on my eyelashes and my eyebrows. So if you guys want to get thick and luscious and long eyebrows and eyelashes, I will link it below. Check that video out. If you guys enjoyed my video, give it a big thumbs up, guys. Do not forget to subscribe and hit my notification button so you guys can get notified every week when I upload. And take care, my beautiful friends. Bye.